Hey Coyote Nation, I'm Scott Polson, Vice President of Enrollment Marketing and University Relations. I'm here to answer questions about our response plan for COVID-19. So you might be having symptoms. Please contact Student Health before you go to the clinic and do so at the number below. Once you're on the phone, you're going to speak to a medical professional. They're going to determine whether or not you need to be tested. That testing takes 1 to 3 days, so during that time, we ask you to self-quarantine. USD has created a COVID-19 case management team. This team is here to support those who have either tested positive for COVID-19 or are waiting on their test results. The team's purpose is to make sure that our students and those that are in quarantine are being taken care of. Those things might include finding you a private room, making sure your food's delivered, in general, just taking care of your well-being. If a student living in our residence halls tests positive, the case management team will make sure that that student moves to a private room. Including the private room will also be resources and a team behind them that helps them figure out their academic situation, what their meal situation would be, basically everything that a student needs to be successful. For those that test positive, our case management team will be working closely with the South Dakota Department of Health to make sure that we do the proper tracing and identify all those individuals that you've come in contact with or that you've been exposed to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. If you are identified as someone that's come in close contact with a positive COVID-19 case, you will be notified by the South Dakota Department of Health along with the case management team and asked to self-quarantine for 14 days. You should also remember that the case management team is there for your help during those 14 days as well. Any medical care for sick students will be provided by Sanford Vermillion. At this time, testing is limited to those showing symptoms. For questions and answers to all our COVID-19 situations on campus, please visit usd.edu/COVID-19. Go Yotes!